When launching a new product, explaining complex features or solutions can be one of the biggest challenges. And that's where explainer videos shine. They take those complicated details and break them down into simple, engaging content, helping your audience quickly understand how your product solves their problems. Explainer videos are incredibly effective for go-to-market campaigns because they make even the most technical products easy to grasp. Whether you're introducing new software, launching a new service, or explaining a complex solution, these videos turn key benefits into a clear, digestible format. Instead of overwhelming your audience with too much information, an explainer video simplifies things in just a few minutes. These videos not only capture attention, but they also drive understanding. In a short amount of time, you can walk through use cases, demonstrate how your product works, and show why it's valuable, all while keeping your audience engaged. And because video content is more likely to be consumed than a lengthy text or a white paper, explainer videos help your message stick. Explainer videos are also incredibly versatile. You can use them at different stages of your go-to-market strategy, on your website, in email campaigns, on social media, or even in sales presentations. In fact, they're very effective in sales presentations. Once created, they become an asset that supports your launch across multiple channels and touch points. In addition to explainer videos, other powerful video tools for your go-to-market campaign include webinars, product demos, and thought leadership content. I'll be exploring all of these in future videos, so stay tuned for more ways to integrate video into your launch strategy. You can also read about all the GTM video types in our new booklet, Maximize Your Go-to-Market Effectiveness with Video. Just leave me a comment below and I'll send you a free copy. So if this video sparked some ideas, don't forget to like, share, and comment below. Let's talk about how video can elevate your go-to-market efforts. Thanks for watching.